Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. My name is Ms. Shakila Talib and I am your computer teacher. So today in this lesson we are going to look how we can open Microsoft Word and how we can apply different fonts like bold, italic and underline to our text. So for this purpose we just have to start Microsoft Word. So first of all you just have to click on the start button. Then you have to click all programs, then Microsoft Office, here you can see, and then open Microsoft Word 2007, and here you can see the window of Microsoft Word. So basically we use Word program to create documents. We can type text here, we can type essays, poem, anything you would like to type here. So first of all, as you can see, this is a blinking line in black color. So basically we call this blinking line as a cursor. So basically cursor shows the position of the text. So first of all, let me type something. Okay, as I type here a computer. So first of all, how you can make it bold, italic and underline. So basically first of all you just have to click here and drag backward and then drop, and then you have to apply here bold. So as you can see that your all the text is going to bold here. You can see that it looks like more darker than the first one. So you can, now you just have to apply the italic. So again I'm going to type something like book. Similarly you just have to select it. You can also select the word by dragging the mouse, or if you want to select the whole document you can select it by Ctrl plus A. So here you just have to select, as you can see this, it is highlighted in blue color, so you have to click here on the option of italic. So as you can see the style of this word is changed because I apply here italic option. So now the third option is underline. So how we can underline our text or data? So for this purpose you have to type another word, like I will type here English. Okay, so as I type here English, if you want to underline it you just have to select it as it is highlighted in the blue color. Then you have to apply the underline font here. You just have to simply click once time. As you can see it is highlighted and underlined. This one is in the form of bold, this is italic, and this one is underline. Okay, now if you want to save your work you have to click on the option of this office button. Then you have to click on this option save, and then here you have to choose where you want to save in your PC. PC means basically personal computer which you are using at your home. Okay, first of all I'm going to save it here in the location of desktop. So I have to click here, and then you have to rename this file. By which name you are going to save this? So let me save this with the name of lesson 1, and you just have to press here save. And as you know, when I save my file it appears on the top of the document. We also call this bar as a title bar. Okay, so you just have to do the practice of this bold, italic, underline, and how we can save our file. Thank you.